frittata is a really economical thing to do because you can use all kinds of vegetables in there and use up what's going off in the fridge and make sure you don't have any waste. And using the Instant Pot Duo crisp means that I don't need to put the big oven on to bake it. We've just got that small pot, and that will save a lot of energy as we're only heating up that little bowl. In this version I'm using up sweet potatoes, so it's almost like a tortilla, but I made a big error when I was making it, so I could have re-recorded, but actually don't we all make stupid mistakes sometimes? So I've left it in, it'll give you a laugh. So if you spot the not so deliberate mistake, let me know about your mistakes in the comments so I don't feel like such a fool, and enjoy the video. Okay, so here's what I'm going to use in this frittata. We've got some eggs, of course. We've got some tomatoes that need using up. We've got a bit of cheddar that needs using up. We've got some onion and, of course, our sweet potatoes. And then I've also got just a splash of milk. And I'm going to use a couple of my frozen chilies from last year's harvest in this. And with frittata you can really use whatever you like, so it's really good for using whatever's in the fridge and needs using up. As this is a sweet potato frittata, we do of course need the eggs and the sweet potatoes and a dash of milk, but everything else is pretty much you can substitute to things that you like or you have in the fridge that needs using up. So let's see how the Instant Pot Duo crisp gets on with making a frittata. Now don't do what I did. If you're using one of these aerated cooking pots, don't forget to line it first or you'll end up with all your egg in the bottom like I did. So it all turned out absolutely fine in the end. So I hope you give frittata a go in your Instant Pot, preferably without a tin with holes in it. And there are lots more Instant Pot Duo crisp recipes on the channel, so have a look at the playlist for that and see if there's any recipes you fancy. And I'll see you next time.